I knew that CN 421 was getting close this morning. A friend 1 city over had called to let me know that it was on the way. I decided to try something a little different and head to a crossing that I don't film at very often at the far end of Niagara Falls. The problem was, I had no idea if I was going to make it in time. At first, no train. Good sign. So I kept driving a little farther, and then...
Friggin', there it is. Well, well, well. You didn't have time after all.
No time to set up, no time to plan a shot. Just stop the car and let the dash cam do the work.
Huh. Faster than that, girl. Faster than that, girl.
That really was great timing, and I'm very glad that I was able to catch the train right here at the crossing. I was the very first car. Now, it's around this time I'm driving and I'm thinking, I wonder if I can catch this train again. I don't know. I'm at the far east side of the tracks at this point. Can I make it to another crossing? Well, here's Niagara Falls, and this black line that I'm drawing, this is what the tracks look like. And we're right about here right now. Can I make it to another crossing before the train gets there? Geez, I really don't know. See, part of the problem with driving through Niagara Falls is we have a couple of obstacles in the way. One of them, this yellow line here, that's the hydro canal that goes through town. And this other line here, that's the QEW, that's the highway that goes through town. Both of these things cut the town into bits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive along this northern route here. I'm going to get onto the highway, head all the way down here, get off, and hope to catch it at the crossing right here. That's the regular crossing that I usually get trains at. I don't even know if that's possible, because the train is going faster than I am, I think. But going that route, I'm hoping to cut all of this out. All of the red lights, all the school buses, all of the regular traffic, because that's just going to slow me down. Now, is it important that I get the train again? No, it really, really isn't. I've already photographed the train in its entirety. I didn't miss anything, and it wasn't like it was anything really, really special that I had to see again. This is sort of an experiment for me. I have never photographed the train at this crossing, which is pretty much the most northeast you can catch it in Niagara Falls, and then catch it again. And in this case, I want to make it to the far southwestern part of the track in Niagara Falls. Can it even be done? I don't know. So this is a little experiment, and you can come along with me. In this experiment, I will not be exceeding the speed limit. So that's another part, is that you can't speed or do anything reckless or anything stupid. Sorry. So it may not be the shortest path, but I am going to jump on the highway because I figure it's probably going to give me the most direct route without running into red lights or having to cross the hydro canal. So here's the entrance to the QEW, the highway. Of course, I have to be stuck behind a large vehicle. Oh, and by the way, welcome to Niagara Falls. So it's only a minute or two up the road, my exit ramp, and at double the speed, we'll be there in no time. So that's what I'm doing today. I am doing an experiment, a rail fanning experiment, just to see if you can catch the train in one part of the city and then catch it again in another part of the city. Have you ever done something like this? Have you ever gone and chased a train? I've done it with some steam engines like Big Boy and the Empress, and that was something all of its own. That was pretty crazy. There were a lot of other people around, and it wasn't as easy as this. This This is just for my own curiosity. Now, see, I told you it wouldn't take very long. We're already at the exit ramp, so we're nearly where we need to be. In just a few moments, I'm going to be able to have a clear sight line, and I can see whether or not I got to the crossing ahead of the train.
Okay, when I turn the corner, I'm gonna know, did I beat the train? I kind of doubt it. But I did go as fast as I was legally allowed to go. It was a good little chase though. It was kind of fun. All right, let's find out. Hold on, I gotta... Oh no, that's the train going through. Right? Oops. People always stop here suddenly. Move, I'm trying to look at a train. Yeah, it's going through. There's no way you can beat it. Look how fast he's going through. Oh, forget it. I wouldn't have had a chance.
From a distance, it was hard to tell just how fast it was moving. But here's the speed that 421 was actually doing through that crossing. Yeah, there was definitely no beating that across the city. But I still wanted to try. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you get to see all the latest videos. Thanks for watching.